Have you ever wanted to send buy one get one free offer to thousands of your customers on WhatsApp but worried about your number might get banned? So in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it the right way using Pabbly Chatflow. By the end of this tutorial you will know how to create a professional WhatsApp broadcast campaign that reaches your customers efficiently, improves engagement and helps generate more sales, all while following WhatsApp recommended messaging practice. We'll see how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, how to promote a buy one get one free offer to your customers, and how Pabbly Chatflow makes the entire process simple and scalable. The biggest advantage of using Pabbly Chatflow is that you can send broadcast campaign from easy to use dashboard, manage your contacts, tracks your campaign, and automate your customer communication all in one place. So instead of manually sending the same message again and again, you can launch your campaign in just few clicks and reach all of your audience quickly and professionally. So in this single video, we'll create a buy one get one free promotional broadcast from scratch, so you can follow every step and use the same approach for your own business. If you are a business owner, marketer, or anyone looking to increase sales through WhatsApp, this tutorial can save you time while helping you run more effective promotional campaigns. But before we move ahead, I want you to know that you can also create this WhatsApp broadcast campaign along with me by using Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying it, if you find the tool useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this WhatsApp broadcast campaign. Alright, so this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, so I am going in this broadcast feature and you will successfully come on the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, the Pabbly Chatflow broadcast is a feature that lets you send the same WhatsApp message to many customers at once using the official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Using the official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, it's commonly used for marketing campaigns, announcements, reminders, offers, and customer updates. By using this feature, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts without getting banned from WhatsApp. As in this tutorial, we are going to create a broadcast campaign for buy one get one free offer, but you can also use the same approach for announcements, promotions, or updates as well. The steps are almost same. You need to understand the logic only. See, I have already scheduled some broadcasts before, and for creating a new broadcast you need to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, simply select the broadcast type from here, that I'll select as broadcast campaign. Next, give your broadcast a name. I'll enter as buy one get one offer. After that, you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. I am selecting leads list here. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you need to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For adding in bulk, you need to select this option. After that, here you need to upload the CSV file containing your contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I have added my contacts inside Google Sheet, that is their first name, last name, and phone number. After adding the contacts, you need to download the file in a CSV format because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a file, you need to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you need to click on this plus add contacts, and this is how easily you can import bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a contact list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I am using right now. Moving forward is the refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts individually that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part of creating a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, that is the selection of message type. You will find 2 options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send regular message by selecting this option from here and select the message type also. See, the regular message is only used when the 24-hour conversation window is active, which means the customer has already messaged you on WhatsApp in last 24 hours. Then only you can send the regular message. If the 24 hours window is not active, then you are not able to send the regular message. On that case, you need to select the message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. As I want to send buy one get one free offer to all of my previous contacts, so that I am selecting the message type as pre-approved template message. Moving forward, I'm going to select the WhatsApp template from here. See, I have already created this buy one get one offer template before, so I'm directly selecting this one and also uploading one image as well. Here I have uploaded, and this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to my customer. After that, I'll click on this done button. Now, for creating these types of attractive templates, you need to go inside the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. These are the predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. You can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates based on your different type of businesses by clicking on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. And I have already created some templates before, and this is the buy one get one offer template that we are using in this tutorial. And trust me, the creation process of this template is also very simple. You can watch the tutorial. Now let's quickly go back to our broadcast setup. See, after selecting the template, next you need to test the broadcast. So for that, I'm going to enter the contact name as test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number manually, I'll click on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check my WhatsApp account to see whether I have received a new message or not. See, automatically I received a new message just now, and see, this is the same template that I have selected here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts that are present inside this list right now, then you will select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule this campaign for later, so to do this, you need to select this option. Here I'm going to schedule this broadcast for later, so I'm selecting this one. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast message on 28th of July at 3 p.m. See, on 28th of July 2026 at 3 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts. Next, you have the automatically retry of failed contacts option. Sometimes the broadcast message may fail to deliver to some contacts during the first attempt, and if you enable this toggle, Pabbly Chatflow will automatically retry sending the message to those failed contacts, so you don't have to send it again manually. And from here, you can select number of retry attempts and also set the waiting time between each retry. For example, I select the number of retry as 1 and the waiting time as 12 hours. With the help of this, any contact whose message failed initially will automatically get one more delivery attempt after 12 hours. After this, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for buy one get one free offer. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And this is just one example. By following the same step, you can create WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own business use case. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Chatflow. And this is how easily you can reach to all of your contacts without getting banned. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.